Hi there, East Coast Weather Association meteorologist Mike Griffith. Thanks a lot for following us here on YouTube and checking out our videos as we are currently always updating the weather here at East Coast Weather Association. ECWXA.com. ECWXA on Facebook after the slash. I'm meteorologist Mike Griffith. What can we expect in the short term? And it's going to be record warm temperatures, especially certain parts of the East Coast here as we head into the weekend. It's going to turn wet, though. Don't let the clear skies fool you because moisture is coming up from the Gulf, and we're going to be getting rain, a lot of it between now and Sunday, and especially something to talk about Sunday as far as severe weather and even a severe weather outbreak here in the south and the southeast. And I'm in Charlotte, and my other business partner is actually in Burlington, North Carolina. So let's take a look at Sunday, the GFS model here. This is the piece of energy that digs through the south and pushes a lot of moisture up ahead of it and instability and a lot of shear. Severe thunderstorms could be across the Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, into Georgia, all the way in deep south, Mississippi, Alabama. And it looks like this system slowly will push east. And also on Monday, it could be a Sunday, Monday event here in the southeast. But that's a pretty strong piece of energy coming through here, so we have to watch out for tornadoes, especially in the southeast here, anywhere along the mid-Atlantic also, maybe up into D.C. and Philly. What we look at now is another piece of energy swinging in behind that one, and this could be another weather maker here as we head into the 26th, and it's going to be cold enough to snow up here in the upper Midwest, including the Dakotas, especially Sioux Falls or Sioux City, South Dakota. So, wow, my phone just keeps rebooting itself after someone just calls. This is crazy. I don't know. It's a Samsung Note 4 Android, so we'll see. Have to go get it looked at. It's driving me crazy. But this cold air will push eastward, and anytime after the 28th, we can expect a cold Arctic outbreak here across much of the eastern part of the United States as that cold air pushes east, and we get more of a blocking pattern up in Canada. So, much colder air to come. Winter is not over yet at all, especially not with this GFS here later this month, the 29th to the 30th. The long-range GFS here has a lot of some kind of snow shower activity. It has printout here all the way up into maybe up in the New York State, all the way from Georgia. This is really cold. This is freezing line at 5,000 feet in the atmosphere. It goes all the way down past the Florida panhandle. So it could be borderline freezing temperatures there in the orange groves, northern Florida, up where it meets Georgia and Alabama. And that's just really, really cold later this month. Could be part of a stratospheric warming event happening up over the North Pole and displacing the polar piece of the polar energy southward and into the eastern part of the United States. This is the GEFS ensemble, and this is what I'm going to leave you with. This is right around the 29th, and this is how the pattern shifts as we head into later this month with the ridging over Alaska and Western Canada. We get the trough here in the United States. And this is what we need for the four-letter SNOW word. Okay, I'm not going to say it. We're going to get it. I'm just saying the chances go up for anybody from Atlanta through Philly as we get into later this month. And I think that's pretty much what's going to happen. Thanks a lot for watching this segment of East Coast Weather Association. I'm meteorologist Mike G. Have a great one, everybody.